What's up, YouTube fans? Sway Kicks here, and I'm giving y'all another sneaker review. And for today, I will be reviewing the Nike Kobe 6 Protro. Is that right? Hold on. Protro. I had to check it out. My bad. Protro. So, but before we get into it, make sure you guys follow me on all my social media down below in the description. Follow my Instagram and Twitter at @ma_trice. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. If you already subscribed, make sure you hit that like button. Even if you're new, hit that like button as well. And leave a comment down below if you plan on copying these, or they're grail, or if you just need to know any more information. And one more thing, I know I sound a little weird. It's because I'm congested, getting over a slight cold due to the weather changes, and forget that outside noise, you guys. But one second. All right, so I'm back. Yeah, like I was saying, the weather changes and whatnot. So yeah, I'm getting over this. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it as the intro. So let's go ahead and get into the sneaker review. All right, so this sneaker originally released in 2010, and it's become quite the grail, iconic sneaker, and it just cements Kobe's legacy. I wouldn't say this colorway cements his legacy and with Nike, but it's one of those colorways from his line that just stands out, of course, due to the colorway. But it's a grail in my opinion. But I don't want to do too much talking because, you know, with Kobe being gone and all that, it's just it's a sad topic, and I don't wanna keep it, you know, sad. I wanna go ahead and get through this and give y'all the little quick review and so here's the sneaker, you guys. All right, so Nike, when they were promoting this shoe, they came out and said, you know, it's the Kobe 6 green apple, but I wouldn't call it that. They should have just went with the Kobe 6 Grinch. As I said in the beginning, this is the Protro, so it's not the original build that released in 2010. This is similar, but it's not that build all the way. You can still, it's more of a performance sneaker. So yeah, as the original, you have, let's see, you have the scales that start off small, and as you continue to go around the sneaker, these scales begin to widen and get bigger due to Kobe's nickname, the Black Mamba, as we all know. Now these did come with, they came laced with the green apple or Volt colorway laces. I don't know which one you want to call them, but they did come pre-laced with those, but the red laces are in now. So, and then you have that logo in red, Kobe's logo. On the heel of the shoe, you have Kobe's signature in red. You have that Nike Zoom unit right here, squishy. And this plate on the back right here helps secure your foot in for whenever you're playing ball or just walking or whatever. On that medial and outside, you have that material, soft material right there. Like I said, the heel keeps the plate on the back of the heel keeps your foot secured. So, and the tongue is flexible. And then on the bottom, you have that black plate. Then you have the logo once again and green bottom. And on the, let me take this out. I'm gonna have to get the other one as well. But on the inside of the shoe, he says, it says, I want my shoe to mold to my foot. Let me get the other one. I want my shoe to mold to my foot. So that's that. Now Nike wanted Kobe wanted Nike to always have his shoes mold to his foot whenever he was on the court, because he didn't want his shoes to be flying off his feet, or, well, you know, due to his injuries as well, the Achilles injury that he had, he wanted the shoe to fit more to his foot. So yeah, that's pretty much the review, you guys. Now like I said, originally released in 2010, and back then Nike, whenever they had like the All-Star Weekend or Christmas, whatever the case may have been, like the basketball sneakers were, the colorways were dope, and it was something that you had to grab. Like you had to go wait in line and you had to grab those shoes. But nowadays it's not that. LeBron, it seems to be getting back into his bag with the colorways and whatnot, so we'll see how that goes. But as far as like years back then, like the Nike basketball lineup was pretty lit. That's a review, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I appreciate you tuning in, watching this video, because you could have clicked on any other video, but you clicked on mine, so I appreciate that. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the on feed. Like I said, if you're a new tuning in to this channel, to my channel, new viewer, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and leave a comment down below if these are grail viewers that you still want, or it's just the iconic sneaker, or you just respect the Kobe line just because of who Kobe was. So yeah, but I'm doing some rambling, but make sure you follow me on my social media, like I said in the beginning, and let's go ahead and get into the on feed of these. Make sure to check out my other videos that I uploaded as well. Swag Kicks them out. Look out for more videos on the way, and I'm out. Peace.